Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code E87. So first thing first, this is related with Steam server. So make sure that you open your browser and type in Steam server status. Select the first search result by Steam server. If you see that this server is down, then all you have to do is wait for a couple hours, or this could also take some minutes. Now, if it's not down, but the server is not being loaded on your side, here is how you can fix it. Come below at the search bar, type in Steam, and you will see Open File Location. Open it, and again, right-click onto it, select Open File Location. You will see exe file here. Click on exe file, right-click onto it, select Properties. Here, select Compatibility, and make sure these are checked. Select Apply, and then OK. Once it is so, you may go ahead and close this. And now, see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then the only way you can fix your problem is by uninstalling Steam. So type in Steam, select Uninstall, reinstall again, and this shall work.